360 Cetus. So as you can see, we need some rock in the front. We're on a cul-de-sac. There's no barrier here on this side. It goes straight to the back. Okay, so we have light blue walls here, darker blue walls, light blue. I'm thinking a complete paint because there's a lot of areas that look like they need touch up. So 1, 2 windows. We need to install some pavers, maybe some 8x10. That's easy to do, not a big cost. Just install right here. And we're now standing on the north side of the house. So as you can see, there's shade. It's about 1 p.m. right now. So it may not need a patio cover. Laminate counters. You can see, looks like some touch-up work was done there. Probably replace that sink. Also not a big deal. It's about $200 installed. Epoxy looking floors. A couple windows over there in the corner that they papered over just for privacy. The sinking counter and cabinets actually look better. Looks like the same backsplash as the kitchen. So 1, 2, 3 windows downstairs. Coat closet there. Okay. Touch up this door or just repaint it. This side looks fine for the most part. Carpet looks good. You can see there's been wear here, but it may be okay after a cleaning. Cabinets look a little worn. Probably repaint those. Tile. I don't feel any creaking or see any cracks. Carpet looks fine. I do hear some creaking under me now. So upstairs we're at 1 window so far. Two, nice upgraded fan. Little stain in the carpet, not a big deal at all. 3 windows. Carpet looks good in here too. Upgraded fan. Interesting. Okay. 1 piece, so no grout, less maintenance. Okay, so this master has 2 closets. These 2 bedrooms share that first bathroom.